Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you on how to delete a Facebook page permanently. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening the app. Tap the menu button located in the top right corner of the screen. Then access the settings by selecting the gear icon in the top right corner. In the settings menu, find the section labeled Account Center. Tap on See More in Account Center to continue. Once in the Account Center, scroll down and select Personal Details. From there, choose Account Ownership and Control. In the Account Ownership and Control section, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. If you have multiple accounts linked, choose the profile you want to delete. Once you've selected the appropriate profile, select Delete Account, then tap Continue. Please note that if you are the sole admin of any Facebook pages or groups, these will also be deleted unless you transfer ownership beforehand. After selecting Continue, you can optionally provide feedback on why you are deleting your account, though this is not required. Tap Continue again. When you see the message indicating that you are about to permanently delete your account, scroll to the bottom of the page and select Continue. Finally, enter your Facebook password to confirm the deletion. After entering your password, select Continue, and your Facebook account will be permanently deleted. So that's basically how to delete a Facebook page permanently. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.